Understanding interference in language learning. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating concept in language learning: interference. Whether you're a new learner or an advanced speaker, understanding this concept can greatly improve your language acquisition journey. So, let's dive in and demystify interference. Interference refers to the phenomenon where knowledge of your native language affects how you learn and use a new language. It can manifest in several ways, such as in grammar, pronunciation, and vocabulary. Understanding this concept is crucial because it helps you identify why certain mistakes occur and how to correct them. There are mainly two types of interference. 1. Positive interference. This occurs when your native language helps you in learning a new language. For example, if you already speak Spanish, you might find it easier to learn Italian because of similar grammar structures and vocabulary. 2. Negative interference. This is more common and challenging. It happens when your native language habits interfere with learning the new language correctly. For example, a French speaker might struggle with English pronunciation due to the different sounds present in English. To overcome negative interference, follow these steps. 1. Awareness. Recognize the differences between your native language and the new language. 2. Practice. Regularly practice the aspects of the new language that are most affected by interference. 3. Feedback. Get feedback from native speakers or language teachers to correct mistakes. Let's look at some common examples of interference for English learners. Grammar. A Spanish speaker might incorrectly say, "I have 25 years," instead of, "I am 25 years old." Pronunciation. A Japanese speaker might struggle with the R and L sounds in English. Vocabulary. A German speaker might confuse become with bekommen, as bekommen means to receive in German. Understanding and managing interference is a key part of mastering a new language. Remember, it's a natural part of language learning, and with awareness and practice, you can overcome it. We hope this video helps you on your language learning journey. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.